Hallo julle, ons is vandag hier so by die Lion and Safari Park saam met Sterstaat is. What a treat. Jy kan vele aktiwiteite hier so doen. Ons gaan perdry, ons gaan quadry en dan kan jy bietjie tussen die leeu's gallimand. Hierdie dames het nou net bobtrolle in hulle mond gesit en gespoeg. So geniet ek dit nou nie hoor. Ek gaan nou nie 'n bobtrol in my mond sit nie. So, ons is nou klaar gequad. En nou gaan ons perdry. Ek sien ek baie bang perde. It's not something to play with. Maar I've got faith that it will all go well. On to the next. Yeah. Hi. So you work here at the Lion and Safari Park, right?
Yes.
Your name is?
Michaela.
Michaela. And what do you do here?
I'm a horse rider. Horse riding guide.
Oh, okay. And are we going to be safe on these horses?
100%. You're in good hands.
Okay. So if they jump and throw me off, you're going to give me a free pass next time?
100%. I'll even catch you.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Julle, kyk net gou hoe amazing is 'n kameelperd. Hy is verskriklik lang. Kyk net hoe mooi is dit hier. Dis beautiful. Die landscape is stunning. En die diere is so mooi versorg. So, ek weet nie of julle weet nie, maar mens moet perdfiks wees. Ons is so 3 minute, 5 minute op die perd en alles is seer. Alles. Koek en naap, my heup, my rug. En weet ek nie so voel die arme perd nie. Ja, baie lekker, steeds lekker, quite experience. Chanzel sit hier agter, sy lyk of sy op 'n lazy boy is. Lekker jol. Wonder wat's volgende? Hi Enoch.
Hello.
So tell me, how long have you been with the Lion and Safari Park?
I've been here for 5 years now.
5 years. And are you enjoying it?
I enjoy it.
It must be an awesome job.
Very good job.
Yeah, you get to deal with the animals the whole day. Okay. And tell me, would you recommend this place for other people to visit?
Of course. Everyone is welcome here at Lion Safari Park. Whether you're experienced, you're a beginner, you're all welcome here.
Look, I was a beginner when I started with the horse, and you really, really helped me to gain confidence and to finish the course. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Beste kleur wat ek al gehoor het.
Maar ek gaan met musiek sit op al die goed.
Ja, ek sê ons het geen kontak nie.
Kom kyk gerus na Lion and Safari Park in Broederstroom. Dis regtig waar 'n besonderse experience. Jy kan die kinders bring en hier is baie aktiwiteite. Quadbike, perdry, you name it. Hulle het alles. Hulle het 'n oulike kameelperd wat actually na jou toe kom en jou laat aan hom vat. So dis regtig 'n once in a lifetime experience hier by Lion and Safari Park. Moet dit nie uitmis nie. Kry vir jou 'n kaartjie en kom check dit uit.